Okay, look at that handsome chap. Anyway, today's little challenges, or the video today, is we're in a nice warm house, our house. I want to put this camera, I want to go to the gym training, but it is freezing. So I want to put this camera in front of my diesel heater, which I fitted about 6 to 8 months ago. And then I want to control it with this key fob, which is at the most got a lock fob, a lock protection in front. And then to get it, can you see that? Let's put that in focus. Come on, guys. So I got to press the unlock. There you go, that one there, to get it to work. So what I want to do, I know it defeats the object. I'm going to put this camera in front of the diesel heater in the garage, come back down the house and see if we can switch it on, and we'll use that to see how far it will reach. So I'll just show you what we're looking at. So we come here, so there's the garage and the chicken hutch, and the windows are a ruddy mess because the cats have been climbing through the window. That's better. So let's go and give it a go. Here's the chicks, not laying at the moment, too cold. It's a chilly one this morning. Right, let's get in. You have to excuse the mess in here. Leg machine over there. Look at the junk. Doesn't matter. And, well, this is the gym part. Full rack of weights. Loads and loads and loads and loads. We've been doing it years and years and years and years. Okay, so this is the diesel heater that I built in a previous video. And what we're doing at the moment, you've already seen inside. I made it myself out of a toolbox. Someone did comment and said, why did you do that when you can buy one off eBay ready made? And I just commented back saying, well, knowledge, mate. Knowledge. So we bought a 12-volt transformer. This will run from a battery, and the battery, like a wheelchair battery, fits just inside here. So it can be absolutely totally portable, which is what I wanted. The isolation switch, which is there, so I'll put that on, and then the control box should come up. There we go. At the moment, because I've got a few lads coming, I said if you want to use the heater, then you supply the diesel. Well, they did, and it was red, which you're allowed to do because it's heating diesel. So it's been running a few times on this, so I'm giving it a go. Right, so what I'll do, I will go down the house with this camera we're looking at now, and I'll put this camera in situ. Give me a sec. Okay, you can see that. There we go. So it's lined up on the key fob, well, like the remote control. There's the remote control. Nothing happening. Okay, let's go down the house and then try the key fob and see if we can get it to start up. So that means from the house, I'll go inside and see if it fires up. And that means I can be a lazy sod and then fire up the heat from the house without coming up the garage. Right, okay. Chickens like to train as well. More stacks, so we've got to tidy up. We're doing a bit of a shed build at the moment, so there we go. Come on, girls, out you go. Okay, down the house. Okay, down the house. I don't know if it's going to reach, so I'm going to do it here. And it's unlocked, so if it doesn't work, we'll have to go outside. Alright. So here we go again. It's all just fun, isn't it? I don't know if I can hear it yet. Girls! I don't think I can hear it, so don't know. Yeah. Yeah, You can see that, which will be on the other camera as well. So the pump's just kicking in now and it should start to beep any second. So just pause that. And you're not going to believe the next bit, I forgot to film it. Not this on mine, but that camera. But what we could do, just out of curiosity, hold on, give us a second. We can put that back on again. And in a minute, I'll film it again and turn it off from the house. Just to show the distance that it does work. I'll just let it fire up first. Yeah, so this is running on red diesel at the moment. The exhaust is going through the wall at the back. We're going to have a look outside actually. Nope, can't see it from me. You can hear it, but you can't see it, but it's quite quiet. This is another project for the summer. I know I'm mental. I'm looking for a tarp I put somewhere anyway. So this is a sailboat, 17-foot skipper. Taking this out in the summer, teach yourself to sail. Sorry, bit of a mixed video. Okay, so we're back in the gym. It's always best to let these run up to full speed. It burns any excess fuel. It's just getting warm now. And if you can see the digits, I'll wait till it gets right to the very end, which is in the red, and then she's running at full speed. And then I'll go back down the house and turn it off, and then back on again. But you have to wait for it to cool down and shut down itself. That is lovely. I could stand in front of that now all day. That is beautiful and warm. That's running on red diesel. We're at full whack now. Here we go. She's in the red. Okay. So I'll nip down the house, put this camera on, record, and see if I can turn it off from the house. Alright? Okay, back down the house. Key fob. And now what you've got to press is the lock button. Usually it's better to get one with temperature control as well. So you've got to hold it in for a bit. Just make sure it gets the signal. So that's on record now. Bye guys. Right, give it a go. There she is. It's on cool down mode. So yeah, brilliant, works a treat. So I'll let that cool down, then we'll refire it up and I'll come and do some training later on. But there you go, bit of an update on the diesel heaters. They work absolutely fantastic, even on red diesel. And the remote control works superb as well. Here it is, cool down mode. Here it is, cool down mode. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, if you can give it a thumbs up, even subscribe would be fantastic. And a like. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, if you can give it a thumbs up, even subscribe would be fantastic. And a like. Take care. Take care. It's because it's cold. Take care. Catch you in the next vid. Cheers. Oh, there we go. So we'll see what this one. I'll take the recording off this as well. Cheers, guys. Bye. Girls.